We have been using forEach method as a terminal operation to test things out. The problem with forEach method is that it doesn't guarantee the order. It doesn't respect the order of elements in the stream. So here we have movies defined in the list in the order of 2, 3, and 1. So first movie with ID 2 comes, then 3, then 1. But technically it doesn't respect this order. We may still see things in that order on the console because that's what we are doing. We are printing the values in the forEach method. But the point to note here is that it doesn't guarantee the order. So if we run the code here, we see movies in the order 2, 3, 1, which is same. Let's hit it couple of times. Still 2, 3, 1. The problem here is that we are still seeing the output in the same order because we are dealing with the sequential stream. But if we convert this stream in a parallel stream, then we may see things out of order because now the stream is split into parallel stream. Then there could be multiple threads in action and they are working on the stream in parallel. So now if we try to run the same code with parallel stream, then we see things out of order 3, 2, 1, which is different from 2, 3, 1 here. So that is the problem with forEach. The problem is only if we want the order. If we don't want the order, then it's fine, especially with the parallel stream. But if we want the order to be maintained, then yes, forEach is a problem. To fix that, there is another method in the stream API, forEachOrdered, and as the name suggests, it guarantees the order. So now if we run the program, we see the order has been corrected 2, 3, 1, and if we run it multiple times, there is no difference in the order. So when we are dealing with parallel stream, then if we want to maintain the order, we should use forEachOrdered. Although the disadvantage of this method is because it has to maintain the order, so it requires additional overhead, additional coordination between multiple threads in case of parallel stream, and it will be the overhead, it will be an additional overhead on the pipeline processing, which could degrade the performance. So this is something to note in case of forEach and forEachOrdered. So that's it for now. Thank you.